Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make this updated version of Eru, also known as Okazi or afang. Alright, so first here I have some Okazi leaves that have been washed about 5 times, and I don't know the ounce, but this is the amount by eye. But here you will also need 32 ounces of chopped frozen spinach. I also have a pound of cut turkey wings that I've actually cut up myself, and they have been washed and cleaned too. You will also need your Knorr cube or your Maggi cube. You're going to need salt. And here I also have a cayenne pepper that I actually picked from my garden, but if you want it hotter, you can add more. And you will also need your green seasoning, of course. Your crayfish powder, and if you do not have crayfish powder, use fish powder. And the main ingredient also is palm oil, okay? So first what we're going to do, we're going to add our turkey meat to the pot. I will be adding in the green seasoning. And I will also be adding in my salt. I will be adding the Knorr cube. And again, this is optional. You don't have to use Knorr. You can use Maggi. And I'll also be using some of these peppers because my family don't really like it too hot. And now what we are going to do is actually mix it. And again, if you would like more peppers, you can add it. So this is what it should look like when it is actually mixed together. Alright, and so now we will put the lid on and we will let it cook for about 15 minutes on low heat until you have saw some stock. And once you have saw the turkey stock, which you see here, I am now going to add this to the bowl. So turkey meat with stock to the bowl. And as you can see, it's in the bowl. So keep that aside. So now in that same pot, I'm just going to be adding in my spinach and all of it. And now I'll be cooking down the spinach a bit because it was frozen. And I think frozen spinach just tastes really good with Eru. I don't know. But now, as it's cooked down a bit, you can go ahead and add your Eru leaves, also known as Okazi, afang, yeah. And this dish is typically eaten with water leaf instead of spinach, but we don't have that here. But I will try to grow it next year. But this is what it should look like when it's actually been mixed together. And the main thing to remember is that when you are making Eru, it should be more Eru leaf than the spinach or water leaf. Alright. So now I have made a hole in the middle and I am pouring the palm oil in because this is a method Cameroonians use to melt down the oil before mixing it. Alright, and as you can see, it's already in the process. So after the palm oil has melted down, we are just mixing it. And it's up to your preference. You can add more palm oil or you can actually make it even healthier, you know. So now I will be going in with the crayfish powder. And I will be adding in the turkey stock and the turkey meat that we have cooked earlier. And this is what it should look like once you have mixed it all together. Nicely done. And now we will be letting this cook for about 30 minutes on medium-low heat. And you must check it time to time because you don't want it to burn. So all in total, this was about 40 minutes and this is the end result. This is my delicious Eru I have presented to you guys, this updated video. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.